Stop buying poor quality spreaders that only last 2 seasons and get a real spreader instead. Let me show you a little bit about this Echo Rb-60 that I've upgraded to. All you have to do is attach the handle to the rest of the spreader. This model does have a handy edge guard. Just flick this bit of plastic down and that should stop any fertilizer or whatever you're spreading coming out to the left hand side here. And I like that operation, it's nice and easy. You don't have to twist anything underneath. Nice little flap, and I'm sure that does a good job, but we'll test it out later on. Something that might be a concern to people is, what spreader setting do you use when spreading product? Well, if you've got a product that doesn't have the spreader settings listed, then you have to work that out manually with some calculations and some weights. But if you do have a product that has Scots listed on it, and most products that you're going to buy at a big box store do have Scots listed on it, so you can look at the Scots setting, and then the Echo settings run very similarly to the Scots setting, so it's very easy to get a reading on what level or what spreader setting you should have on this one here. Just something that's nice to see. You don't have to go and do too much math to figure out what setting you should have this on. So this model comes as standard with a 10-inch pneumatic tyre. This means you can blow it up if it does get flat, and it's going to allow you to glide over the lawn a little bit easier than some of those cheaper models with the plastic wheels. Some expensive models do have plastic wheels too. This is going to make going over any of those ruts and bumps a lot easier. You're not going to get stuck in them. You're not going to lose product because you hit a bump. And it's just going to make the overall job of spreading fertilizer or seed on your lawn so much easier. To change the setting, it's really easy. You just pull down on this little black lever here, put it to desired setting and let go, and then it locks into place. There's a little detente there, so you'll hear it click in. And if you want to move it again, you just pull it down, move it along, and I want to go to level 6, put it there, and make sure the arrow is lined up with the number 6. And it's nice and secure. The only way that this would move is if you pushed it down and moved it to the side. So when you pull the handle, that gate opens, and you can see beneath that the first gate is only open halfway, and that means that you're going to allow so much product through. But if I adjust the black knob on the back and make it larger, it opens up the gate further. And if I make it smaller, it closes the gate off. So this second gate is really just allowing product to leave the hopper. So the impeller here looks like a dinner plate. It kind of curves in the middle. I think that's going to help to get the fertilizer out and spread it evenly across your lawn. There are also 2 different types of blades on here, and I think that's really going to help how well the fertilizer or seed does spread out from the spreader itself.